Model, 2019 Volkswagen Crafter Startline CR35 2.0TDI 140PS long wheelbase, HR rear wheel drive needs engine. Body, yellow, panel van. Mileage, 145,293. MOT, the 31st of March 2025. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0TDI 140PS EU6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none runner, engine has partially been stripped, parts are in the back, ideally wants a replacement engine. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, air con. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £9,175. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740 119 972.